Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add pets in chats on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile, or guys, of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to Snapchat. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have all your friends where you can go and add friends, see their stories, etc, etc. In the bottom, we can also see that we have some stories and stuff, and the other things are of course the camera and your live location. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add pets to your Bitmoji on Snapchat. Well, basically you need to go and follow the few steps. So ensure that you have Snapchat Plus. This feature is available for Snapchat Plus subscribers. If you don't have a subscription, you won't see the option. So make sure that you have that option enabled. Then open Snapchat and go to your profile. And then when you're on your profile, guys, tap the Snapchat Plus membership card. Select Map Appearance and then tap on Pet and choose from the available options, which include a dog, cat, snake, macaw, guinea pig, panda, etc, etc. Once you select your pet, it will appear alongside your Bitmoji on the Snap Map. You can change your pet or remove it anytime. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.